Better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanisha, and in this video I'm going to do an 80s inspired makeup look. This weekend I am going to a concert, and maybe you will be too. You have to stay tuned and watch, but it is 80s, 90s vibes, and I wanted to create this look because I thought it would be fun to go in either 80s or 90s. I didn't know which one I wanted to do, but since I'm an 80s baby, I was born in 1981. Don't try to figure out my age. It's like I'm an 80s R&B junkie. I'm also a 90s R&B junkie. It's just a different time, better music, all the colors, all the fun, just the 80s vibes is like a good time. So if you want to see how I created this look and you want to see my giveaway, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. So I'm going to start with my brows. Usually I do a really defined brow, but not today because I'm doing an 80s look. And back in the 80s, you did not have defined brows. Actually, the thing was, or the trend was, more of a bushier brow. I already have thick eyebrows, so I don't really have to do much to get that look. I'm just going to draw in just a little bit, just to darken it up. And I'm using my Spike pencil by MAC. Next I'm going to go with my eyeshadow primer. This is Groundwork by MAC. Comes like this. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. As you can tell, my eyelids get really oily. So this is going to prevent my eyeshadow from creasing. And then I always blend it in with a blending brush. Just so it's nice and smooth. In the 80s there was a lot of colors, so I'm going to use my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start with Burkina. You can tell I use this one a lot. I'm just going to put this up top in here. Something very light. In my crease I'm going to use Zobo. And I'm using a blending brush, a 224 by MAC. I'm going to blend this all the way up. This shadow is a matte and it has a lot of fallout, so you want to be careful. When that happens, you want to do your eyes first. I've made it a habit of doing my eyes first all the time anyway, just in case. Next I'm going to go in with Chai. And I'm going to put this on the outer edges of my eye with the same brush. And now on my lid I'm going to use Bori. This is this hot pink. And I'm going to place that in the inner corners here. I think it's starting to look punk rockerish. I was more of a gym 80s chick because I was little, but this is still in the 80s. Just gonna do my mascara. So now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna put on my foundation, my concealer, and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I've just put on my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and also my lashes to finish up the look. I'm gonna do blush, lipstick, and finish up my eyes. So, what should I do first? Let's do blush. Like back in the 80s, they love blush. So today I'm using Love Thing by MAC. And I'm gonna go a little bit heavier than I usually do. I'm gonna take it up here. Now I am gonna add a highlighter on top of that just because I'm not sure there was highlighter back in the 80s, but a little highlighter never hurt. This is Hustla Baby by Fenty. We're just gonna make that blush pop a little bit more. For my waterline, I'm gonna line my eyes with Blue Moon. This was a limited edition from MAC. It's like a green. I'm sure you can find something that's close to this color. I'm taking it all the way across. And then I'm gonna smudge it out. Now I'm gonna go in with Mally and smudge underneath my eyes. Just gonna brighten that up a little bit. I think it works. Just gonna extend it here. Moving on to my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with Be Spoken For by MAC. It's more of like a plum. I remember watching my mom put her makeup on when I was little, and she would wear like black lip liner. I'm like, that is a no-no. Well, I guess it's a no-no now, but maybe that was the thing back then. I love watching my mom do her makeup. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna use Flat Out Fabulous by MAC. And just for a little lip gloss over top, I'm gonna use Force of Love by MAC. Just for a little shine. So loves, this is my 80s inspired look. I love how it turned out. Like, I'm feeling very 80ish. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because I have 2 tickets for the Biz Markie 80s versus 90s Decades Collide. So if you want to win these tickets, these 2 tickets right here, I need you to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. The tickets are for Saturday, March 31st. Doors open at 8. The show starts at 9. I will have these tickets for you at the box office with your name on it. Whoever wins these tickets, we're gonna have a good time. I am a 80s and 90s R&B fan. I'm sure it's gonna be some 80s, 90s hip hop. So I'll be in the building, you'll be in the building. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Was there lipstick on my teeth the whole time and y'all didn't